Imagine you're sitting in a quiet room. Someone hands you a simple test. But here's the twist. Most people fail it. Because the test isn't about knowledge. It's about how your brain plays tricks on you.
Psychology tests aren't about right or wrong answers. They're about patterns.
Your brain takes shortcuts every day. Like a GPS, it wants to get you somewhere fast. But sometimes it takes the wrong turn. This test reveals those wrong turns. It shows how easily we can be fooled. And today, we're gonna see if you can pass. Let's begin the test. Pam. Here's the first question. It looks simple.
Think carefully before you answer.
Most people pick the wrong answer. It's like a magician's trick. Your brain fills in the gaps. Ready for the next one? Here's another question. Don't rush. Think carefully. Most people get this wrong. See? Your brain tricked you again. It's like an optical illusion. Your eyes see one thing, your brain another. Which line looks longer to you? They're the same length. But your brain insists one is longer. Surprising, isn't it?
Low. Let's try another one.
This one looks even easier. But don't be fooled. Most people fail here too. Here's another one. Looks easy, right? Think carefully. See? Your brain fooled you again. It's like a magician's trick. You see what isn't there.
Can you spot the trick this time?
The trick is simple. But your brain insists otherwise.
Frustrating, isn't it? Let's raise the difficulty.
This one looks simple, but it's a trap. Most people fail this one. Can you spot the trick? Here's the hardest question yet. Most people fail this one. Can you spot the trick?
See?
Your brain fooled you again!
It's like your GPS driving into a lake. Fast, but wrong.
Frustrating, isn't it?
Your brain uses shortcuts called heuristics. They save time, but cause mistakes. Like taking a shortcut road that looks faster, but leads nowhere.
That's why most people fail. The shortcuts mislead them.
Like taking a shortcut road that looks faster, but leads nowhere. The test isn't about passing. It's about seeing how your brain works.
It's not about passing or failing. It's about learning.
Try this test with your friends. See how they do.
Remember, the brain is powerful, but it loves shortcuts.
Like a magician, your brain loves illusions. Share this test. See who passes. And who gets tricked. Your brain is the greatest magician of all.
And that's why most people fail this psychology test. Can you pass?